Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I'm coming to you from Carleton's greenhouses. On behalf of the International Admissions team, we are so excited to invite you to our Your Life at Carleton 2023 open house for international applicants. We've got two sessions. The first one is at 6 a.m. and the second one is at 1 p.m. local Ottawa time. You can join us from anywhere around the world and get to choose whichever session you want that matches and works best with your time zone. During the open house, our team and some of our current international students are going to discuss some topics such as academic life, living on campus and living in Ottawa. We're also going to talk about employability and job opportunities, and of course, your opportunities in getting engaged and involved and making an impact. Of course, you two are going to get the chance to ask all of your questions during the student panel and during live chat. We hope you can make it.